How to record your computer screen on a PC or laptop using OBS software. First, everyone will open a web browser. Go to the website obsproject.com so we can download the OBS installer to the computer. Everyone selects Windows. After downloading the OBS installer, everyone will left-click the installer to start the installation. Here, I have already installed it. After installing, everyone will open OBS. First, we will add the computer screen into OBS to record. Here, I've already added it, so I'll delete it. Everyone will click on the plus icon. Select Display Capture. Everyone will enter a name. Then select OK. Select your computer screen. Select OK. Everyone can also add a camera. Select Video Capture Device. Enter a name. Select OK. Select the camera. Select OK. Additionally, everyone can also add text. Images and many other sources can also be added here. After adding the computer screen, we can start recording the screen on a PC or laptop. Now, I'll guide everyone on how to set up OBS. Everyone will go to Settings. Select Output. By default, it will be set to Simple. Everyone will change it to Advanced. Go to the Recording tab. First, we will choose the location to save the video after recording the computer screen. Here, I'll save it on the desktop. Next, everyone will choose the video format for the recording. It is Hybrid MP4. Video and Code Line. If everyone has a graphics card, everyone will select the card name along with H264. If you don't have a graphics card, everyone will select X264. Set the bitrate to 12,000. Set keyframe interval to 2. For a mid-range PC, set the preset to P5. For high-end computers, everyone will select P6 or P7. For mid-range, set tuning to high quality. For high-end computers, set tuning to ultra-low latency. For mid-range, set the multi-pass mode to 2-pass quarter resolution. For high-end computers, set the multi-pass mode to 2-pass full resolution. Set the profile to high. Set B-frames to 2. Now the output settings are done, go to the Audio tab. For the mic, everyone will select the microphone they are using. Go to the Video tab. Set the output scaled resolution. Everyone will set it equal to the base canvas resolution. Set these two lines to be the same. Set the FPS to 60. Hotkeys. Set the hotkey for screen recording, and set the hotkey to stop screen recording. That's it, the setup is complete. Select Apply. Select OK. To record the screen, select Start Recording. Now we are recording the computer screen. To stop recording, select Stop Recording. This is the video I just recorded from the computer screen. It's that simple. This is how we can record the screen on a PC or laptop using OBS Studio. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much.